Elon Musk unveiled the latest generation of Tesla's humanoid Optimus at the Robot event. Interesting, isn't it? Musk introduced the humanoid as robots that can do anything you want. Optimus can walk, dance, hold a glass, wave, and even talk. But the real excitement kicked in after the show ended, when Tesla allowed the Optimus humanoids to roam freely and interact with the crowd. At first glance, Optimus might seem straight out of a sci-fi film. Standing at about 173 centimeters and weighing between 73 kilograms, it's designed to move with remarkable fluidity. Its hands alone feature between 11 and 22 degrees of freedom, allowing it to handle delicate objects or perform complex tasks, such as sorting packages or operating tools. This gives Tesla a significant advantage in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even household services. Powered by Tesla's advanced neural networks and AI, Optimus can adapt, learn, and execute tasks autonomously. During the demonstration, Elon Musk showcased that this robot isn't just designed for one task. It can carry groceries, walk pets, babysit, and even function as a personal assistant. Set to potentially become the most groundbreaking product of the next decade, Tesla's Optimus could revolutionize homes and industries alike. With a projected price of $20,000 to $30,000, it aims to make advanced humanoid technology accessible to the masses, turning sci-fi dreams into reality.